Information on ICE 800 arrival 12:16. Delayed today by about 35 minutes. This is due to trip repairs. We apologize for any inconvenience. Platform 12. Please hold train. The doors close automatically. Please take care of the train's departure. Information zu IT